Okay, hey guys, I'm Rich, welcome to BB's Customs, and today is unfortunately a bike-free video. So, as you can see, I'm in the house. There's no bike in here anymore. I'm not allowed to do that anymore. I know I said last week that I was going to get this mounted in the bike. I've not been able to do that because of a couple of things really. Most importantly, my material didn't turn up. I did plan on having some nice little brackets holding this onto the frame. I had some steel turning up to make that, but it didn't arrive. The postman swears blind that he's delivered it, but it's not here, so I don't know, maybe give it to the wrong house. Also, there's a time factor as well. It's getting to that stage of the year where evenings are getting shorter, and because I work outside, I don't have an outside light yet. I don't have as much light which I would like to work on the bike when you're using grinders and power tools and things. It's nice to be able to see what you're doing. So yeah, that's sort of, it makes it difficult to do when I get back from work. My weekends are sort of taken up with the family, so all the stuff I do is throughout the week. But good news is, in the next few weeks, I'm hoping to be able to move everything indoors. I'm getting myself a workshop, so I'm going to fit power to it and have lights in there. So probably for a few weeks or so, the bike build is going to slow down a little, but the workshop build is gonna appear. I'm probably gonna do some videos, not in-depth ones because everyone knows how to build a shed, but just a quick update on how I shift everything into there, how I'm gonna lay it out, things like that. But it does mean I'm going to be able to continue working longer into the evenings, particularly during the winter. It's going to be very difficult in the winter. So with lights and power, everything should carry on as planned. So yeah, sorry for not having a nice new exciting video for you. I hope you all enjoyed the last one with its new format, its new layout. So it's got a lot less music in there. Bit more to the point, less waffling, although it would help if I got all the footage I needed to. But yeah, so the new videos are going to carry on in that sort of way. As always, if you've got any other tips or things in particular you want to see, then feel free to drop a comment, send me a message. I'm always able to reply to the messages on here, as well as I've got an Instagram and a Facebook page all for this, so there are loads of different ways to contact me. So yeah, feel free, ask whatever you want. So thanks for your ongoing support. It's really encouraging. The subscribers are going up. I know on the grand scheme of things it's very small numbers compared to a lot of other, particularly a lot of other bike building channels out there, but for me, just one guy who's building a bike in his back garden, yeah, it's nice to see it growing, even if it is just every now and then I get a random name pop up and it's all, yeah, it's just good that I'm reaching out to more people, and from all over the world now as well. I've got people who watch in Australia, people who watch in America, predominantly the UK where I'm based, but multinational. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.